Hello guys, welcome to the video. So let's talk about my next week pair and for what pairs I'm looking. Euro USD. So we are going to the weekly. The weekly is currently bullish, so lower low, and this is the higher high. The weekly is currently bullish. We are going to the daily. The daily is bearish, and we have the strong daily area of interest. I will put it here, daily AOI. And the 4-hour, it's bearish, so I will look just for the daily to come here, give me the daily rejection candlestick, and reject from this daily EMA, and after that I will look for the sell. So here I will put waiting for the daily rejection candle. Okay, this one, Euro JPY. So the weekly is bullish, the daily is also bullish, and this is actually not the daily area of interest because we don't have three touches in the area of interest, and we have this daily rejection candlestick, bullish engulfing candlestick. In the 4-hour is actually bullish, so we have this is actually the 4-hour area of interest. So 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. So this have 3 touches, so I will look just for the to price come here for this pullback and look for the upside. So this is a little bit risky trade. The next one is Euro CHF. The weekly is currently bullish, and we have this weekly engulfing candlestick. The daily is also bullish, so I will look for the daily to come to this area of interest, give me some kind of rejection candlestick like this. So you can see like this candle, but here I need this candle here. So this kind of candle or like engulfing candle something, I will look for that. In the 4-hour is also bullish, so when the daily come here, the 4-hour will become bearish. So then we will have 2 time frame in sync, but it doesn't matter because we will already have 2 time frame in sync, and I will look for the buys. So just waiting for the daily to come here and give me the rejection candlestick. GBP USD, in weekly we are bullish from this point, so lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, and it will create the higher low. So the weekly is bullish, the daily is bearish, and we have this daily daily area of interest which have a lot of touches, more than 3 touches, and the 4-hour is also bearish. So I will look for the daily to come here again, come here, give me the rejection candlestick, and I will look for the downside. This one, the weekly is bullish, the daily is bullish, and we have already this rejection candlestick. In the 4-hour is also bullish, so this was the higher high and this is the higher low, and we didn't close under the structure point, so it means the 4-hour is bullish. Just I need for this break and retest in the 2-hour or in the 1-hour. So in the 1-hour it will be this thing, left shoulder head, and it will create the right shoulder here. I will look for the price to come back here and give me engulfing candlestick. Then you can take trade here in this engulfing, put your stop loss under this structure and target for 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5, how much you want. Then this one, NZD USD, the weekly is currently bullish, the daily is bearish, and we have this head and shoulder pattern which is really strong, and also the 4-hour is bearish. So just waiting for the daily to come here, waiting for the price to come to the area of interest. So in this one I think I will not wait for the daily rejection candlestick because this time frame is already bearish, the 4-hour. Just waiting for this lower low in this lower high, and here I will look for the engulfing candlestick. So waiting for this lower high in engulfing, put your stop loss above this structure and waiting for 1 to 2. So this is simple trade, it's looking so easy and so beautiful. CAD CHF, in CAD CHF we have the weekly bearish, from these points. Weekly is bearish, the daily is bullish, and we have this already have rejection candlesticks, more than 3. In the 4 hour is bearish, so we don't have 2 time frame missing. We have the weekly bearish, the daily bullish, the 4 hour bearish. So just in this one I will wait for the 4 hour to come to break under this structure point, and then create the left head in the right shoulder, and after that I will look for the buys. So for this one I'm not very sure, still I will look for it. If we have 2 time frame in sync, then I will see. If I want to take, I will. This one is also counter trend trade, because the weekly is bullish, the daily is bullish, and the 4 hour is also bullish. So waiting just for the 4 hour break and retest to go to the downside, because you can see the weekly is a lot, so much up, daily is also. So if we broke down of the structure point in the daily close, then the daily will also become bearish, and then we will have 2 time frame missing, and this will also not become the counter trend trade. But still I'm waiting and I'm looking for this pairs. Thank you for watching. Please go subscribe this channel, like the video, and also if you want, you can go join my free Telegram. See you, bye.